The Millionaire Mindset. Unleash your inner wealth creator. Hey there, aspiring millionaires. Get ready for a video that will transform your financial outlook. In this video, we'll explore the powerful concept of the millionaire mindset and how it can help you unleash your inner wealth creator. Prepare to shift your mindset, overcome limiting beliefs, and embark on a journey towards financial abundance. I'm Tom, your guide to unlocking the secrets of the millionaire mindset. Have you ever wondered what separates millionaires from the rest? It all starts with their mindset. In this video, we'll delve into the mindset strategies that millionaires use to attract wealth, abundance, and success. Get ready to tap into the same mindset and unleash your true wealth-creating potential. Breaking free from scarcity. The abundance mindset scarcity thinking can hold you back from achieving financial success. We'll explore how to shift from scarcity to abundance thinking, where opportunities and possibilities are limitless. Discover how to rewire your brain for abundance and attract wealth into your life. Rewriting your money story. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Our beliefs about money shape our financial reality. We'll uncover common limiting beliefs and guide you through techniques to reframe and rewrite your money story. Learn how to replace self-sabotaging beliefs with empowering ones that align with your financial goals. Goal setting and visualization. Manifesting your financial dreams. Setting clear goals and visualizing your desired outcomes is a powerful practice. We'll show you how to set compelling financial goals and create a vision board to reinforce your millionaire mindset. Learn how to use the law of attraction to manifest the wealth and success you desire. Embracing a growth mindset. Learning from failure. Failure is an essential part of the journey to success. We'll discuss the importance of embracing a growth mindset and viewing failures as learning opportunities. Discover how to develop resilience, adaptability, and a willingness to take calculated risks on your path to wealth creation. Surrounding yourself with success. The power of networks. Your network plays a vital role in your financial journey. We'll explore the significance of surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. Learn how to cultivate a network of mentors, mastermind groups, and supportive peers to accelerate your wealth creation. Taking inspired action. Implementing wealth-building strategies. The millionaire mindset is not just about positive thinking. It requires taking inspired action. We'll provide practical wealth-building strategies, from saving and investing to starting a business or pursuing additional income streams. Get ready to take action and make your financial dreams a reality. Congratulations! You've unlocked the power of the millionaire mindset. Remember, wealth creation starts from within. By shifting your mindset, overcoming limiting beliefs, and taking inspired action, you can unleash your inner wealth creator. Share this video with others who are ready to transform their financial lives and join the community of millionaire-minded individuals. The concepts and strategies discussed in this video are for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary, and it's important to assess your unique financial situation and consult with a qualified financial advisor for personalized guidance. Thanks for watching.